This is Vinay here, and today's video I'm going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube till the third tutorial. So it's after the yellow cross. Yeah, I'm going to teach you how to solve the yellow cross. I'll teach you in the video. So let's move into it. Second layer. Now I'm going to teach you how to solve the yellow cross. Okay, so what we get three cases. This is the first case. You get only one yellow, only one dot, but it's compulsory. If for this case it's compulsory, you need to at least get this dot. So now we're going to solve the yellow cross. So what you need to do is this, then two right hand algorithms, one, now second one. Okay, now just bring this back. Now you got it. So now you got this. So now you just need to do this, then one right hand algorithm, and then take this back. Now you got the yellow cross. Now show other cases where you get the same thing. In some cases you already get a yellow cross. So now in some cases you already get a yellow cross. Now I'm going to show other cases where you get. So okay, so guys, some cases you get this 1, 2, you get one line. So what you need to do in this case, what you did same in that one, you just need to pull the lower one like this, and then the right hand algorithm once, and then bring this back. So now you got the yellow cross. Now I'll show you one more case where you get. Okay guys, sometimes you get this case. So what you need to remember in this case, that remember the 9 o'clock. So this is 9, this is 9 o'clock. So what you need to do is the same thing. Not same, you should do it a little different. You should just see, you should take like this part down, and two right hand algorithms, 1, 2, and then bring this back. So now we got the yellow cross. Now let's continue. So now what you need to do after the yellow cross is that you need to match the pieces that are below the yellow edges. You need it to match with the centers. So it's matching. You need at least two pieces. So this is matching, so we can take it. So this is also matching, we can take it. So in this case, when you get two pieces together like this, go to the next side towards your left, and then I'll tell you, you do this algorithm. So it's up, left, down, left, up, 2 times right, or even 2 times left, because it's the same thing, and then down. So do this algorithm. Now you need all the centers to match. So just turn and check which one is matching. See, now green is matching, orange is matching to orange, green is matching to green, red is matching to red, and blue is matching to blue. So now we have solved the centers. Sometimes what you get in this case is that you can get it opposite. Like suppose now it's opposite, you are not having it together. So what you need to do, you need to do the same algorithm, but you need to do it in the middle of both. So 1, then bring it back. Now just turn it and check. Now we have 2 matching. Now we do that same which we did last time. Now we have 2 matching. So now we do the 2, 1, and 2. Now we do the right hand algorithm. Not the right hand algorithm, the algorithm which we did that time. So now we have done it. Now just turn it and check. See, now all the sides, all the edges are matching. Hope you enjoy the video. So keep loving, share this video, subscribe, and if you not understand, watch it 2-3 times, then you will get it. Goodbye.